Alright, I just received my Slim Fast VoxBox in the mail. So, let's see what's in it. 100-calorie snack, drizzled crisps. So a little snack. 100 calories. Another one. Chips, baked chips, sour cream and onion. Also 100 calories. What's this? Replace to enjoy one healthy meal. And snack throughout the day. So they obviously have a new line of snacks. Let's see what's down here. Advanced nutrition, dark chocolate and sea salt. Meal replacement bar. Let's see. So this is 190 calories. Not too bad. Looks pretty good. And this is what I'm used to having, the shakes. Creamy chocolate. Looks a little bit different, only 1 gram of sugar. Alright. 180 calories. Shake well, serve chilled. Alright, I'm ready to try it.